Hi, Stephen Armstrong here, Head of Commercial at AL Power. We're here today at the Komatsu UK site in Berkeley, where our teams have recently installed just short of 4,000 solar panels. This 1.76 megawatt peak solar edge system will generate over 1.6 million kilowatts of power. It will also reduce their carbon output by around 366 tonnes a year.
Hi, I'm Stuart Reid. I'm the Managing Director of Komatsu UK Limited. We're part of the global Komatsu Group, which manufactures construction equipment and mining equipment. It's headquartered in Japan, and it's the world's second largest manufacturer of that kind of equipment. At our site here in Berkeley, we employ around 400 people, and we manufacture hydraulic excavators ranging from 17 tonnes up to 50 tonnes for the European market.
There are a number of fire safety features included within the installation, including arc detection, a module level safety mechanism, and a firefighter gateway, where we have connected into the main fire alarm system of the building.
Our site uses significant amounts of electricity. We have 4 large CNC machines, around 15 welding robots, 50 manual welding stations, and 4 paint processes that we run. So given the significant amount of electricity we use and the large amount of space we have on our factory roof, solar was the next logical option for our sustainability journey.
Because we are committed to health and safety, we erected almost 300 metres of scaffolding around the building to keep our teams and those below safe during the installation. We have also opted for bespoke scaffold to be fitted on the side of the building so deliveries could still be made while we were on site.
Of the initial proposals we looked at, AR Powers was very clear about the equipment that would be installed and was also very competitive. Their suite of accreditations and certifications gave us confidence in their capabilities. This was supported by visits to some of their previous customers who spoke very highly of them.
Our project management team had many meetings with the team at Komatsu leading up to the point of install. This allowed us to maximise safety and minimise disruption to Komatsu's day-to-day operations.
The installation has gone very well. We're very happy with the service we received from AR Power and how the project has been deployed. I fully believe we made the right choice in appointing them and would recommend them to anyone else considering solar.
So, if you would like to dramatically reduce your energy costs and carbon footprint, get in touch with us today and we'll talk you through the process.